To overcome the problem of delayed delivery of life-essential goods like medicine or food packages during the disastrous situation by designing an autonomous UAV, selected application as Delivery System aka Relief Care Package. Delivery System airdrop consists of 3 separate subsystems: 1. Target recognition and position estimation, 2. Airdrop planning, 3. Guidance and control. Using an UAV instead of manned aircrafts for this purpose minimizes the risk for human lives at the same time as keeping the costs down. The delivery is safe and it reaches every position by maneuvering to provide help. The apt mechanism on the fuselage is bomb bay mechanism using single servo. Installation of payload over flap area and perform mechanism with the help of servo motors to designate on desired platform. When location is specified, the distance is measured and the UAV so brought in such speed that dropping of payload is done only by opening the flaps of mechanism. To avoid any possible damage and manufacturing defects, the parachute along with servo motors are checked before every flight round. Prevention against high temperature damage and fracture due to fatigue stress. In case of a natural disaster like floods, earthquake, forest fires, nuclear accidents, disaster relief supply to the victims cannot be sent by using road transports because the integrity of routes cannot be guaranteed. The compromised integrity of roads during natural disasters make it almost impossible to send the disaster relief supply to the victims. Use of UAVs would not only be monetary but also would not conserve a lot more manpower and prevent the life threat to the rescuer. This shows autonomous delivery system that uses machine vision to identify a target marked with a different color, specifies the target location and plans a path to a release point where it delivers the object.